Hi, I'm Lillian with Salon Scottsdale, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm here to talk to you about choosing the proper perm rod size for your hair and where you could buy them. We've already bought the perm at the convenience store, and it comes complete with the end papers. The end papers you're going to need to wrap your hair before putting the rod on your hair, and I'll demonstrate that a little bit later. The perm rods come in a variety of sizes, from really thick in circumference to really, really skinny in circumference, depending on how tight you want to curl your hair. The perm rods could be purchased at a supply house. They will sell a non-licensed person the perm rods. Like I said, they won't sell the perm, but they will sell the rods. The rods that you get at the supply store are probably the easiest to control if you're giving yourself a home perm. They're plastic with an expandable band that makes it easy to stretch. Again, I said they're plastic because you're not supposed to use the metal clips, metal rods, or metal combs. Always use the plastic. On my hair, I'm going to use, I just want kind of more of a body, not too loose. I probably won't use this size. For the size of curl that I want, I will probably go with the next to the smallest, and then you could see the results when I'm done as to how curly my hair will get with this size rod. I'm pretty sure I will choose this size. Now, for people that like the extra curly, or some people refer to it as kinky, they're going to want to use from the blue to the yellow, and then for the very, very tight, the red. The red is usually not used throughout the whole head. The red is usually used right where the shortest hairs are, which is around the sideburn area or the nape of the neck. But that's for extremely curly perms. But these are the perm rods and the different sizes they come in.